5 GRE vocabulary words. 1. Pernicious. Having a harmful or destructive effect, especially in a gradual or subtle way. Example sentence. The pernicious effects of smoking on one's health are well documented. 2. Abstruse. Difficult to understand, obscure or complex. Example sentence. The professor's lecture on quantum physics was so abstruse that most of the students struggled to grasp the concepts. 3. Pragmatic. Dealing with things sensibly and realistically, based on practical rather than theoretical considerations. Example sentence. The company's CEO took a pragmatic approach to problem solving, focusing on feasible solutions that would yield tangible results. 4. Esoteric. Intended for or understood by only a small number of people with specialized knowledge or interest. Example sentence. The philosopher's writings were highly esoteric, requiring a deep understanding of metaphysics and epistemology. 5. Ineffable. Too great or extreme to be expressed or described in words, indescribable. Example sentence. The beauty of the sunset over the ocean was ineffable, no words could capture its breathtaking magnificence.